Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang reaksyon ng iba't ibang members ng Baptist denomination sa ating bansa. Pagkatapos yung mga pahayag ni Congressman Benny Abante sa quad hearing na nambuy-buy siya sa suporta ng mga Baptist kay PRRD noong 2016 na eleksyon. Gumamit siya ng mga Bible verses. Ito na nga, inuulan siya ng reaksyon o batikos ng iba't ibang Baptist communities. Dito, may open letter si Stephen Living Billester. Kilala ko itong Baptist pastor o bishop na ito. Sabi niya, open letter to Bishop Abante. Don't use the Baptist name and all its members as if you are the reason we voted. We are ashamed of how you use Bible verses in that hearing. The question is, do you even apply those to yourself? My family and I, along with others, voted out of our love and trust for Tatay Digong, not because of you or your words. Grabe. Malaking sampal ito sa isang bishop, galing din sa isang bishop. Kilala ko itong si Bishop Stephen Living Billester. Okay, so ito pa. Maraming nagre-react. Kasi po, maraming klase ng Baptist hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. May Bible Baptist, may Independent, Fundamental Baptist, may Southern Baptist. Iba't iba ang kaya hindi sabi itong si Bishop Abante, he cannot speak for the Baptist. Pakinggan natin itong vlog na ito.
Nagsalita si Baptist Bishop Bienvenido, Benny Abante sa pagbubukas ng Quadcom hearing ngayong araw. Makailang ulit niyang binasa ang ilang nakasulat sa Biblia, at ilang ulit din niyang ipinagyabang na bumuto ang 6,000 na Baptist kay Rodrigo R. Duterte, sabay tanong kung ang bumotong Duterte diehard supporters. At ilang beses mong tinanong yan, let the record speak for itself. There were more than 16 million die-in-the-wool supporters of Mr. Duterte who voted for him in 2016 as President of the Philippines. Nagtanong pa for public record yan. Sa ngayon marami ang mga karelihiyon ni Benny Abante ang nagsasalita at nagpapahayag na hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng kanilang pastor ay salitaan na ng bawat miyembro nila. Ayon nga sa komento ni Joy Cruz ay, from your fellow Baptist, Benny Abante. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. I am a Baptist pastor po herein. Matagal na talaga ako gusto mag-message sa inyo concerning what is happening in our country and also for clarificatory purposes since nadadawit po kaming mga Baptist because of one Baptist pastor in Congress.
Good training team! Naming labada.
So, marami pang susunod na mga comments, reaction tungkol sa pahayag ni Congressman Abante. Napahiya. May isa pang post na nabasa ko. The whole Baptist community is ashamed of you.
Pastor Abante do not represent all Baptist and even Baptist pastor in our country. Pinagmumukha kasi niya kanina sa hearing as if we are all united on his stand against Tatay Digong. The fact of the matter, Ma'am Joy, is that we have this common belief as Baptist in what we call the autonomy of the local church. It means that every Baptist local church practices self-rule or self-governance. It doesn't mean that he is a Baptist and I am a Baptist that we have a shared belief of everything. The best example of that is yung pinasa niyang batas na National Baptist Day is not even celebrated by all Baptist churches in our country since most of us find it political. I tell you ma'am, majority of the Baptists in our country do not share his view about the current situation. Hindi lang talaga kami vocal when it comes to politics. His view is only for his local church, Metropolitan Bible Baptist Iglesia, not all Baptist churches and the Baptist people in our country. Second, we do not vote as one or just like the INC does block voting. We have this shared belief of the individual soul liberty. Every individual, whether a believer or an unbeliever, has the freedom to choose what his conscience or soul dictates. Every of us personally is accountable to God. Sinabi niya kasi kanina na hindi nagpapasalamat si Tatay Digong sa pagboto ng mga Baptist sa kanya. When in reality, iba-iba talaga binoto namin kasi it's our responsibility to vote. Ako nga noong 2016, si Tatay yung binoto ko. I tell you ma'am, maraming mga Baptist pa rin ang nagsusuport kay Tatay Digong since her common law wife, Ma'am Avancenia is a Baptist herself. Ito ma'am, totoo talaga ito. Merong local church from MBBE Pastors Abantes Church na yung anak ay vocal sa pag-support kay Tatay Digong. Tawang-tawa nga ako sa post noon. Ma'am, please give attention to this one. Ayon naman sa isa pa ay, hello, isa ako sa miyembro ni Pastor Benny. Pagkatapos ng preaching niya noong November 8, Friday yan sa Middle East. Nagkwento siya patungkol kay Duterte. Ang sinabi niya na di ko nagustuhan, buti hindi dumalo si Duterte sa Quadcom kasi pag dumalo siya tatapusin ko siya. Napakayabang na talaga ng pastor namin. Pati pulpito ginagamit na niya sa politika. I'm still praying kay pastor na maliwanagan siya sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Please hide my identity. Ayon pa sa isa ay, open letter to Bishop Abante, don't use the Baptist name and all its members as if you are the reason we voted. We are ashamed of how you use Bible verses in that hearing. The question is, do you even apply those to yourself? My family and I, along with others, voted out of our love and trust for Tatay Digong, not because of you or your words. Our faith is directly in the Lord, so don't pretend as if you are always right. Don't be a hypocrite. We are ashamed of you, Abante. Thank you po. Ayon naman sa isa pa ay, he is using us Baptists. We voted for PRRD not because of him. We believe in the autonomy of local New Testament church. We believe in the independency of every churches. That is why hindi niya dapat kami isali. Maraming ngayang kaaway na pastor at churches. Bakit yung peace party list niya ba nanalo? Most of the Baptist churches supported the act as one of Attorney Arias, the son of Pastor Attorney Mar Arias. Ang well-known influencer na si Tagabukid ay nagbigay naman ng...
Okay, so marami akong kaibigan na mga Baptist pastors and members at napag-aralan ko na ituro nila sa akin ang doktrina ng Baptist. Una yan, eternal salvation yan, ang kanila. Ang mga Baptist founded sa Word of God. In fairness, karamiang Baptist na kakilala ko, matino. Question mark ko lang dito kay Bishop, Congressman Abante, dahil iba yung sinasabi niya, iba ang ginagawa. Okay. When it comes to politics, talagang may autonomy ang mga different local churches. Hindi yan ang mga members, hindi sila tinuturuan na sumunod sa payo ng pastor. Minsan, may pastor na mag-preach tungkol sa bubutuhan. Kaya lang, bahala ang member kung sinong bubutuhan niya. Kaya, hindi talaga pwedeng mamboy-boy si Bishop Abante na malaking naitulong niya sa pagkapanalo ni PRRD. Ano ba yan? Kung nakatulong ka, edi tumahimik ka na lang, hindi yung ibuy-buy mo pa dyan sa hearing. So, yun po. Hindi lahat po ng nagpapanggap na alagad ng Diyos ay talagang nagsisilbi sa Kanya. Kaya may salita po ang Panginoon. Sabi niya, not everyone who calls me Lord, Lord, ay kilala ko. Darating ang panahon, get away from me, you evil one. I do not know you. So, sana, ang mga kaibigan kong Baptist, wag na kayong masyadong ma-offend. Pagpasensyahan nyo na lang yung isang bishop na Baptist na dinamay niya ang mga kasama niyang Baptist. Marami akong kakilala talaga, kaibigan ng mga Baptist pastors. Bible Baptist, Fundamental Baptist, Southern Baptist, at alam ko medyo nasasaktan sila ngayon.